is on how pH levels can affect the color when you're cooking vegetables and fruits. So, have you ever wondered why sometimes there's some science experiments where someone used red cabbage and then they somehow make the cabbage magically change color when they add something to it? Why do green beans look brown when they're canned? And maybe the question that you guys may think is strange, but a lot of people actually ask, is why, after you eat blueberries, why does your poop turn green? Yes, I said poop. So, the first experiment I conducted was on the red cabbage. And the materials I used was red lettuce, lemon juice, baking soda, tap water, a water boiler, and 3 glass cups. So I first boiled the water, and as the water was boiling, I placed the red cabbage inside each of the 3 cups, as well as lemon juice in one and baking soda in another of the cups. I poured boiling water into the glasses, I waited for 15 minutes, and then reported my data. So these are the results I got. So for the lemon juice, which has a pH of 2, acidity of 2, the cabbage turned a very bright red, as well as the liquid around it. For the tap water, the cabbage stayed a bluish purple shade, and for the baking soda, which had a pH of 9, which was alkaline, it turned a misty bluish green color in the cup. And the reason that these turned color was because color changes in cabbage, they're caused by different kinds of pigments that are called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are made up of anthocyanins and glucose, and they react to form different colors when they're exposed to different kinds of pH. So in the fall, leaves, the reason they turn red, the reason they turn different colors in the fall are because of these anthocyanins. The chlorophyll in the leaves, they die off in the fall because they don't have enough nutrients to keep a constant supply of chlorophyll. So the green color dies away, revealing the anthocyanins that are always there. And the acidic cell sap will cause the leaves to turn a red color, and a more alkaline cell sap will cause the leaves to turn purplish or blue. Sometimes the anthocyanins in certain plants, such as blueberries, will cause them to turn green in alkaline conditions. The second experiment I did was we're using green beans. So I used essentially the same materials, except I used green beans instead of red cabbage. I boiled the water, and then I added the lemon juice and the baking soda as the water was boiling. I put in the green beans, and I recorded the color at 5 minutes intervals. So the results I got were at 5 minutes, the green beans that were cooking in the lemon juice had begun to turn a deeper shade of green. At 10 minutes, they had become a brownish green, and by 15 minutes, they had become very brown. However, in the alkaline, at 5 minutes, they had stayed the fresh green as they were when they were fresh, as well as 10 minutes and 15 minutes. And the reason the green beans changed color in the alkaline was because the alkaline condition caused the chlorophyll to break down quickly and turn into another pigment called pheophytin, which has an olive green color. If you cook the green bean in tap water, however, pockets of gas inside the green beans will burst, and the green beans will turn to a brighter green color. However, overexposure to the high temperatures will cause natural cell acids to come out the chlorophyll, and will cause the green beans also to turn to olive green. However, if you add an extra amount of, if you cause the water to be alkaline by adding a bit of baking soda, you can actually cause the green beans to stay greener for a longer amount of time. So my conclusion is that canned green beans that are brown, red cabbage that are blue, green food. There are many examples in real life that will. There are vegetables that will change colors in response to pH levels, and many people do not realize this. And there are also many uses for this, such as having being a pH indicator, or understanding why different vegetables you could make seem a strange color. Hopefully this presentation has explained why different vegetables change color, and thank you. Any questions?
Any questions?
Yes.
What is the recommended pH value for the edible leaves?
What?
What is the recommended pH value for the edible leaves?
Well, actually, it varies from plant to plant. Many different plants require different pH levels to grow, and it depends. Apples tend to be more alkaline. Apples tend to be more acidic, and I think bananas are alkaline.